The beloved Italian dish, Fettuccine Alfredo, has been desecrated by American adaptations, and one man is on a passionate mission to restore its honor. Meet Mario Mozzetti, the guardian of this culinary treasure, who is determined to spread the authentic recipe across the globe. But is he fighting a losing battle against the Americanized version that has taken over? Save Fettuccine Alfredo. The origins of Fettuccine Alfredo are as rich as the dish itself. Legend has it that Alfredo di Lelio, a talented Roman chef, crafted this delicacy in the early 20th century to entice his wife, Ins, to eat after giving birth to their first child. It's a heartwarming tale, but like many Italian food stories, it's hard to separate fact from fiction. However, the story's essence likely holds some truth, similar to the origins of minestrone and tiramisu, which were also created with specific purposes. At Alfredo alla Scrofa, the restaurant founded by Di Lelio in Rome, diners have recounted this tale countless times, adding to its allure. But here's where it gets controversial. Many believe that Fettuccine Alfredo is an American invention. In cities like New York, where Italian cuisine has evolved beyond recognition, the dish is served with a cream-based sauce, a sacrilege in Italy. And it doesn't stop there. Chicken, bacon, parsley, and even chili are often added, a culinary crime in Mozzetti's eyes. It's an abomination, declares Mozzetti, the current owner of Alfredo alla Scrofa, whose family acquired the restaurant from Di Lelio in the 1940s. He has taken it upon himself to preserve the original recipe, a simple yet exquisite combination of freshly made fettuccine, butter, and parmesan. Mozzetti is not just a chef, he's a custodian of tradition. He believes in innovation but stresses the importance of respecting the past. If you alter the dish, it ceases to be Fettuccine Alfredo. It becomes something else entirely. His dedication to preserving the authentic recipe is unwavering. While Rome boasts iconic pastas like carbonara, cacio e pepe, grisher, and amatriciana, Mozzetti argues that Fettuccine Alfredo deserves its moment in the spotlight. It's a dish steeped in history and romance, he says, recalling the story of Alfredo dancing with a fork and spoon to prepare the pasta for his wife, a graceful performance that cheered her up. Mozzetti carries on this tradition, having learned it from his grandfather, who started as a waiter at the original restaurant in the 1920s. The pasta is now served in a luxurious Roman dining room, adorned with black and white photos of famous patrons, white linen tablecloths, and the soft glow of candlelight. Mozzetti's skill is so renowned that he has insured his hands for an undisclosed sum. He prepares the fettuccine tableside with gold cutlery, a tradition dating back to Hollywood's golden age when stars like Douglas Fairbanks and Mary Pickford gifted the original set to Alfredo. The list of celebrity patrons is impressive, from Ava Gardner and Audrey Hepburn to Jimi Hendrix and Sophia Loren. Mozzetti's passion extends beyond the restaurant's walls. He wants to educate the world about the true Fettuccine Alfredo, a mission that has led him to London's Gloria, where he showcases the dish's simplicity and elegance. But his quest is not without challenges. We're lucky that chefs keep the name Alfredo alive, but we must ensure they don't ruin it, says Mozzetti. He's dismayed by the common misconception that Alfredo sauce includes chicken, shrimp, mushrooms, or cream. To combat this, he started an academy to train others in the art of preparing this iconic dish. Mozzetti's vision extends beyond his restaurant. He dreams of collaborations to introduce more people to the authentic Fettuccine Alfredo, leveraging technology to spread the word. However, he laments the influence of influencers who take too long to photograph the dish, causing it to lose its freshness. As we finish our coffee, it's clear that Mozzetti's mission is not just about preserving a recipe, it's about honoring a culinary heritage. But will the world embrace the authentic Fettuccine Alfredo, or will the Americanized version continue to reign? The battle for the soul of this beloved dish rages on, and Mozzetti is at the forefront, fighting for tradition and taste. #authentic Alfredo #Italian cuisine #food heritage